How to disable noise reduction on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap on the phone application on your device, and as you do that, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings, and here you'll be able to see different options. So tap on accessibility over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see a different mode over here, and you'll be able to see no other option rather than that. So maybe this is due to the reason that my phone is not updated to its latest version, or I have this function of noise reduction is not available in my device. So that might be the case, but otherwise here the option of noise reduction is generally available in the accessibility option, and you'll be just able to toggle off this option of noise reduction. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.